The another most coolest feature for obtaining different elements from multiple list objects. Consider the following code. Consider two list objects where we are obtaining list 1, list 2. LST3 is equal to, directly I will write, convert the LST1 into set of LST1. In set object there is a symmetric difference function is there, which will eliminate the common elements from both LST1 and LST2. I am converting LST1 and LST2 into set and I am applying symmetric difference function which will eliminate the common elements from both of them. Remaining elements will be taken and kept into LST3. There I am writing different elements is equal to LST3 and see the result of it. And we get same answer 10, 20, 30, 40 and 10, 20 is a common elements removed, 30, 40, 300 and 400 is going to be shown here. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe NareshIT channel.